Today we will learn 30 short sentences, which will help us to speak and learn English faster. You need to practice such sentences regularly to speak English quickly, and you have to remember. Then only you can speak English fast. How about a pizza? How about a pizza? Many people do not like pizza. Many people do not like pizza. You had pizza for lunch. You had pizza for lunch. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You should stop drinking coffee. You should stop drinking coffee. I have to live with it. I have to live with it. My laptop is so slow. My laptop is so slow. Why is it so slow? Why is it so slow? I want to throw it out. I want to throw it out. I am not ever going to leave. I am not ever going to leave. Did the rat bite you? Did the rat bite you? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. They bite. No, the bed bugs bite me. No, the bed bugs bite me. Look at these marks on my arms. Look at these marks on my arms. It seems fine to me. It seems fine to me. It's not comfortable. It's not comfortable. Why not? Why not? Did you take it? Did you take it? Buy a new one. Buy a new one. If I had the money. If I had the money. We need a new mattress. We need a new mattress. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Maybe chicken pasta. Maybe chicken pasta. It has great weather all year long. It has great weather all year long. It's close to the mountains. It's close to the mountains. It has the feel of a small town. It has the feel of a small town. What are they? What are they? That's a good question. That's a good question. The people are friendly. The people are friendly. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English easily, because regularly we come with new learning videos. If you can share the video with your friends, and of course comment on how do you like our videos, or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.